Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome to the new video. Today we're going to try to make Windows 11 more useful. So basically what I'm trying to say is adding some features that are not added into Windows by its default. You see, I saw on the internet that there is this app called PowerToys. It's made by Microsoft itself. I don't know why they made an app like this. They should just add these features straight into Windows. But for now, there is only an app which we can download. You can just type on your browser, download this PowerToys. You can download it over Microsoft Store or GitHub. If you're downloading it over Microsoft Store, just press download over here, go left click on it, and it will download itself. Once you download it, just type PowerToys, and here you will see this PowerToys preview or settings. Once you open it, on this right side, I think that almost every single one of these will be activated. I deactivated all just so I can show you which ones I use and I found useful. Let's start with this advanced paste. Honestly, I don't use it, but I think that there are some users that might want to use it. It's basically a better clipboard. It just saves every single thing that you copy so you can paste it somewhere else. You see here formats, clipboard content, into plain text, markdown, JSON, and more. Advanced formatting can use an online or local language model endpoint. I personally do not use this. If you're willing to, you can just customize this short key if you want another one, and yeah, that's it. In my opinion, the most useful thing over here is this command palette. So basically it's the same thing as Spotlight search on macOS. Let's go and enable it, and I have my shortcut over here, Alt space, and you see what we get. We will now go to settings. These are general settings that I think that you can just change the keyboard shortcut if you want. Let's go to personalization. You can switch the themes that you want. I personally use same as system settings, transparent, turn the opacity all the way down, and here's how it looks. So I basically make it similar to macOS. These are some extensions. For example, like if you want file search, you can just go here and type like downloads, and it will just show you your downloads folder. You can even use it for some equations. 12 minus 12 is 0. Or if you want, you can like quick access the internet, like type YouTube, it will open up your default browser, take you there. I think that you can even type youtube.com and it will straight, it will straight take you to YouTube. And over here, this dock thing is, I forgot how it's called on macOS, like navigation bar, status bar, something like that. So you can over here see CPU, memory, internet, GPU usage, like everything. You can even add some apps here to the top left corner. I used to use this when it came out like a few months ago, but honestly, I don't think it's that useful, because if you add some apps here to the left corner, you can't minimize it. It's not like a dock that's down here on Mac. You don't minimize it, you still need to use taskbar, and when you open it here on left click in left corner, it will just open like a new window. It won't continue where you left off. Maybe they will add that sometime in the future, but for now it's not here, and that's the reason I don't use it that much. So let's go back over here. You have this thing called Peek. It's basically preview from macOS. You see, I'm talking a lot about macOS because these features exist there for a while, and I didn't know that this exists on Windows until I found PowerToys. So you know on macOS how you can just click spacebar on something and it will show you the preview, like PDF document or something like that. For example, over here I have this image. I just press Control space and it will show me the preview of its image. Just press escape, you close it, and that's it. You can even do that on folders. It will just show you this info about the folder. I find this really useful if you have like a lot of documents and you don't want to scroll through all of them. Just press Control space and you will see what's inside of it. You also have this mouse utilities like cursor wrap and find my mouse. I think that find my mouse is really good if you have like same color cursor as your background or your theme or files that you're inside of. You can just press Control 2 times, I think, and you will find it. As you can see, like for example, I'm over here, I don't see my cursor, press Ctrl twice and it will show it to you. This thing PowerToys Run is basically same, yeah, it says here. This command palette is literally evolution of PowerToys Run, so you don't need to use this if you're using this one over here. You also have these fancy zones, so it's like a tiling manager. You see, like you have these kind of zones, you can either create your own layout like grid or canvas. Grid is so windows don't stack upon each other, it goes, one window goes next to the other. You can create it on your own, and you have shortcuts so you can start using it. So you see zone appearance, how it shows you. You use Windows page down, page up to scroll through windows that you have opened. It's really useful for power users, but you don't have to use your mouse at all. You can just use your keyboard shortcuts to switch between open windows. You have this always on top. It's really useful. But if you have one window that you strictly want to work in, you don't want anything to go over it, like when you open new links or something like that, usually new window opens over this one. You just press Windows Ctrl T and you see this outline over here. Basically, whatever app you open after it, you won't be able to get it over this one. And just to deactivate it, use the same keyboard shortcut and it's gone. You just minimize it, open it back up, and that's it. If you want, you can just mess around every single one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things are things that I use personally, so maybe you will find, I don't know, power rename or registry preview more useful to yourself. It's up to you. Do everything that you want over here. This is a really good app and it can help you a lot with your Windows experience. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned something new, that you will find these features that I showed you useful, and it will strengthen your experience in Windows 11. See you in the next video. Goodbye.